We had a pretty amazing week.
Come on. Yeah. We had a great week.
Right?
Hey, it started off very rocky.
Oh, God. Really rocky. There was a couple, I was watching Meet Kevin last night, and he was talking about how for like the last 2 months, small caps have been getting their head cut off.
Yeah.
I didn't realize how bad I always thought it was just I was being punished. But apparently other people's stock portfolios are down too.
Hey, misery loves company, and we were, the whole country was getting bashed if they were in small caps.
When I look at my phone, I get an update on the market because I trade real time. Jason and I start trading at 1 a.m. every day on
IB. And
Weeble. And we trade throughout the day till 5 o'clock. So I'm not trying to be rude.
How rude.
The triple Qs are up $4.38. And for a full disclosure, I'm getting short.
In case you hadn't noticed, I'm a dwarf.
I am negative on the market, but not today.